So here we are with the portable shower. You can see, let it focus. There we go. I've got the container at the bottom that will catch all the water. The shower curtains. You see, I've got this PVC frame over here that holds the shower curtains. Got 4 pieces going straight down, 4 poles, and then up there is my water heater, 7-gallon jug of water, which will then heat the water and it comes out of that shower head. Got a place to hang my soap and my shampoo, right? Yeah, it works great. And then I've got this pump at the bottom in this container. This pump has a hose that connects to another hose which will lead the water out of the truck. And this hose right there, this will lead the water out of the truck. All right.